Hello, I wanted to follow up on my last video in which I showed you how to do some number formatting. In particular, I showed you how to place commas in separating the thousands, right? Like you would see if a number was printed. And that was this, and you can watch that last video if you want more detail on that. But in this one, I want to show you if you had some decimals and you wanted to just print to the second decimal point, or actually you can determine whichever one you want it to print to. But there's this round function you can use. You put the two parameters in the parentheses. The first is the variable you want to round, and the second is how many decimal places. And so you'll see if we print this out, our second number here is rounded to the 222 decimal points, which is great. You could even combine that by, if we put this right here, we could put RND in there, print, and you see now we have separated by commas and two decimal points, as you might see for money, currency, if it was printed. You could actually add your own money sign separated by a comma, and now you have that there. Actually, you don't need the space, but yeah, let me know if you have any questions on that. But it's super easy to round in Python. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks.